Steve B, looking at the future, there's so many emerging trends, technologies that marketers, brands are keeping on top of. There's a litany of stuff out there. Is there something particular that they need to be watching in 2023, beyond 2024, when it comes to web accessibility?
Yes, there are a couple things. One thing I mentioned earlier about how the website and your third-party media both need to be looked at independently, because anything you do to that website is not going to affect that third-party media. So pay attention to that, because you could leave yourself vulnerable by doing the right thing for your website, but ignoring content. And the reason that's important is, as you see, the content is ramping up. With COVID, especially in retail, we're seeing a lot of lawsuits in retail right now, in real estate, in universities, because all of that is being pushed online even greater than before. So brands are creating virtual tours at a much higher clip. We haven't even talked about YouTube videos. Those have to be accessible. And I'm not just talking about, oh, we have closed captions, we're good. No, it goes way beyond that. Audio descriptions, transcripts, all of this stuff needs to be there for blind users, or you're going to get stung. But it's just a smart thing to do to save money in the end, to avoid all of this.
You know, if you're watching this and you're a leader in a given company, don't assume it doesn't apply to you, and don't assume someone else is taking care of it.